So children, if we turn the next page, so here page number 10, we have the tick the group of words that are sentence. The sentence which is there in the correct form, that one you have to give the tick mark. They have given the two sentences here. So this is not the correct sentence. The first one they have given Philly lemons. So Philly lemons, it doesn't make a word. It doesn't make a sentence. That is two different words we have. So it doesn't make a sentence. So Philly lemons, so that is a wrong sentence. The another sentence they have given, Philly likes lemons, and this is the meaningful sentence, and it is ending with a full stop. The sentence which ends with a full stop, so this is a correct sentence. So we have to give the tick mark for that sentence. In the first line, here you can give the correct tick mark. They have given already the correct tick mark for you, the B sentence. So the B sentence is correct sentence. And the second one now, Tilly sleeps on an apple tree. Tilly sleeps on an apple tree. And the second one they have given the Tilly on the. That is a incomplete sentence. Tilly on the. So this is not a correct sentence, and it doesn't have the full stop also in the end. So that is an incomplete sentence. So the correct sentence is the first one, A sentence, Tilly sleeps on an apple tree, and it is also end with a full stop. So here you can give the tick mark. And the third one, Philly is. This is a incomplete sentence. Philly is. It doesn't make a sentence, and it doesn't have the full stop also. And here another sentence, B sentence is Philly is sleeping. Philly is sleeping, and it ends with a full stop. So this is the correct sentence. You can give the tick mark here. So the B sentence is correct one. You can give the tick mark there. So they have given the small blank also. You can fill it with the tick mark. The fourth one, Millie flies to the rainbow, and it ends also with a full stop. So this is the correct sentence. Millie flies to the rainbow. You can give the tick mark here. Here the B is Millie flying. It doesn't end with a full stop. So this is a wrong one. And the A one is the first sentence is the correct sentence. You can give the tick mark here. And the last one, Philly turns into a butterfly, and this ends with a full stop. So this is a correct sentence, and the B sentence is Philly into a butterfly. So it doesn't have the full stop in the end of the sentence. So it is not the correct one. The first A sentence is the correct sentence. You can give the tick mark here. So this is the F Roman. We have completed now F Roman. So children, we have completed our tick the group of words. So F Roman is completed. Now we are going to start the G Roman. In this Roman, we have rearranged these groups of words to make sentences. Means they have given the group of words are there, but they are in wrong order. They are not in the correct order. So we have to form in the correct order, and you have to write in the blanks here. So they have given already blanks there. So we have to write the answers for that. The first one is Caterpillar the rested for some days. Caterpillar the rested for some days, and it doesn't here there is no order. The words are just they have a so these words are not in the correct meaning. These groups of words just they have written there with no punctuation marks also. So we have to make it as a meaningful sentence. So the first one they have given already the answer. The first, here we have to start with a capital letter. Always the first letter, the sentence of the first letter we have to begin with the capital letter. Capital T. The caterpillar rested for some days, and it ends with a full stop. So this is the meaningful sentence. So the first sentence already they have given the answer for you. So here again I am repeating the caterpillar rested for some days, and it ends with a full stop. So this is a meaningful sentence. And the second sentence, rabbit a pet I have. So it doesn't have the meaning at all. Rabbit, a pet I have. So this is the wrong one and we have to write in the correct order. So the answer is, it begins with the capital I. I have a pet rabbit. So the first one we will begin with a capital I and ends with the full stop. Now the third one. Deer A has spots. Deer A has spots. It doesn't have this sentence. It doesn't have the meaning. So here we have to write in the correct order. A deer has spots. So the first letter is capital letter A. Deer has spots. You end with a full stop. And the fourth one. Is a rainbow in their sky dark? Is a rainbow in their sky dark? So the answer is, there is a rainbow in the sky. So this is the correct one. So the sentence begins with a capital letter. There is a rainbow in the sky. So when you end the sentence, you have to end with a full stop. The fifth one is, apples on the tree there are. This is a wrong sentence. We have to write in the correct sentence. So this is the correct one. There are apples on the tree. So one more thing, there are apples on the tree. So the first one begin with a capital T and end with a full stop. So we have completed this Roman. Here listen and speak. So this is the H Roman, the last here, this end of the page, here we have the last Roman H. Listen and speak. So this is the listening. So the first one, bell, B-E-L-L, bell, B-A-L-L, ball. Second one, S-I-T, sit, S-E-A-T, seat. Third one is M-E-T, met, M-A-T, mat. The fourth one is S-H-E-L-L, shell, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. The fifth one is B-U-G, bug, B-E-G, beg, F-I-L-L, fill, F-E-L-L, fell. Seventh one is B-O-Y, boy, B-O-I-L, boil. Eighth one is G-R-E-E-N, green, G-R-E-Y, grey. The ninth one is M-O-O-N, moon, M-A-N, man. So these are the small words already you have studied in the previous classes. So one more time you can say orally these all words. So first one to again I am going to repeat. Bell, ball, sit, seat, met, mat, shell, sheep, bug, beg, fill, fell, boy, boil, green, grey, moon, man. So this page number 10 we have completed. Now we will come to the 11th page. So here we can see, children, a picture is a colorful picture. Some animals and some insects are there here. See the first animal, one more time we can repeat. We can see here snake, squirrel, a honeybee, butterfly, grasshopper, a caterpillar, a small ant, a duck and a ladybird. So, and a lot of flowers also are there in this picture we can see. So, we have to answer the questions now. You may begin like this. You have to ask along with your partner. You may ask to your partner. The question you must ask. The first question is there a squirrel in the picture? Now your question you are asking to your partner. Is there a squirrel in this picture? Yes. Now your partner will say, yes, here we have the squirrel picture is there. So now the answer how will be there? Yes, there is. So what he will say your partner? The answer is yes, there is. Now another question. Is there a line in this picture? Can you see the line in this picture? Yes, there is no line in our picture. The answer is no. So the negative answer how we will say? Your partner will say now, no, there is not. No, there is not. If the picture is there, yes, there is. If it is not there, how will you say the answer? No, there is not. Now the remaining they have given some words. We can frame the questions with these words. So already they have given the words. We have to frame the question. So here the first one they have given as ladybird. So here we are giving. Is there a ladybird in the picture? So we have to frame the question. Is there a ladybird in the picture? The answer is yes, there is. Because here in the picture we can see a small ladybird sitting on the leaf. So we have to frame the question like this, and this as question and answer both you have to note down in your notebook. With your pencil you can note down this question and answer both. So the first one word is there a ladybird in the picture? Yes, there is. And the second word is grasshopper. Is there a grasshopper in the picture? Is there a grasshopper in the picture? Yes, there is. Here we can see the grasshopper. We can see the picture of a grasshopper. So answer is yes, there is. And the third word they have given is butterfly. Is there a butterfly in the picture? Is there a butterfly in the picture? Yes, there is. The answer is yes, there is. Here we can see the small little butterfly in the picture. The remaining two words, monkey and owl. So now you have to write, is there a monkey in the picture? So can you find a monkey in the picture? Can you see the monkey in the picture? No. So the answer you have to write, no, there is not. So your answer will be no, there is not. And the last word is owl. Is there a owl in the picture? Is there a owl in the picture? Can you see the owl in that picture? No. Here we can't see the owl picture. So the answer will be no, there is not. So here you can write no, there is not. So up to here we have completed our I Roman. This I Roman also we have completed, and the last Roman is think and write. This is number the sentence, write them in your notebook. You have to write these sentences in your notebook in the correct order. So you have already known the story of a rainbow butterfly. So they have given the story of a butterfly, but in the jumbled sentence, means they have given the order is wrong order they have given. So we have to write in the sentence, all the sentence we have to write in the correct order, and we have to give the numbers for this. So the first one they have given, they lived in a fairyland, they turned into butterflies, they ate many leaves, Philly, Tilly and Millie were caterpillars, they slept for many days. So these are the sentence is correct only, but the order is wrong. What they have given, the order is wrong. So the first sentence what we have to get in our story is, our story begins with the three caterpillars. So the first one is, this is the sentence. So this sentence, the fourth sentence, they have given already the one number there. So here they have in front of that one sentence they have given the blanks also. You have to write the correct numbers for that. So first one number they have given already for you. So this is the first sentence. Philly, Tilly and Millie were the caterpillars. And the second one is, they lived in a fairyland. So first sentence, the three caterpillars and they are living in a fairyland. And the third sentence is, they ate many leaves. So when in the caterpillar state, they used to eat many leaves. And the fourth one is, they slept for many days. After eating the leaves, they slept for many days. Always they used to sleep for many days. And after that, the fifth sentence, they turned into beautiful butterflies. So after that they slept after many days after they turned into beautiful butterflies. This is the fifth sentence. So the numbers they have given is 2, 5, 3, 1 and 4. This is the correct sentences of order. This is the correct sentences of order. So this is the order of the sentences. Like this you must note down. So one more time I will repeat Nana. The first sentence here 2. The number we have given is the 2, 5, 3, 1 and 4. So we have completed the first lesson grammar part. So these are all the exercises we have completed. I hope you all of you understood and you can note down in your notebooks correctly, and in the textbook part also you can note down. This is your textbook part. You can correctly note down. Thank you.